In this video, I will explain to you how you can participate in the Caiz Earn Program. It's a very simple and a quick process. First step, go to our website caizcoin.com and open up the Caiz Earn Program page. Here you can click and select a button to lock your tokens for 6 months or for 12 months. Click the right period that you like and then connect your wallet to the browser. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can fill in the number of Caizcoins you want to lock. Fill it in and then click the button Lock Tokens. A new transaction will be generated in your crypto wallet to transfer that number of Caizcoins to the smart contract. So please confirm the transaction and wait a few seconds until it is confirmed on the blockchain. At that point, you are already participating in the Caiz Earn Program, so congratulations. When it is done, you are redirected to the dashboard where you can follow your coins. At the end of the period, of your locked period, there will be a green unlock button being enabled. Click on that one and you transfer your Caizcoins back from the smart contract to your original wallet. Every 3 months during the locked period, we are sending you the returns that you already made to your original wallet, so you can already start enjoying the Caizcoins that you earned. And as a special thank you, because you have been a supporter for us for such a long time, we are giving you for a short period of time, for the coming 9 days in total, we don't give you 7%, but we give you 8% if you lock your tokens for 12 months. As a big thank you for you. So please hurry up, lock your tokens and start earning some Caiz. Thanks.